All right, guys, all the parts came for the Nova. It's time for us to start getting busy. Transmission came about a week ago. Trans brake. This trans is capable of withstanding up to 1,200 horsepower. It's a beast. Flywheel, trans cooler, fan. I'm making my own transmission lines, stainless steel lines for the transmission lines. And this guy, guys, this beam bracket shifter. This thing is super nice, guys. Look at this, man. So we'll use this button for the trans brake, this button for the line lock, guys. So this would be the, here we're gonna mount, like, this is the trans brake. We use this for the line lock. It's more comfortable here. So we use this for the top for the line lock, bottom for the trans brake. So I'm going to start assembling everything, guys. Let's just move the old flywheel off for the manual setup, and we're gonna change everything to automatic. About to mount the selector now before I even deal with the transmission. I'm waiting on the gauge, voltmeter gauge. The one that was in here wasn't working, so I'm gonna change that out. But yeah, stay tuned for the video. I just want to show you guys all the products that came. And, I gotta get this thing going, guys. We gotta get this thing going. So I'm working today. I'm gonna start taking the grill out right now. Let me show you guys the grill. So I'm gonna remove the grill, guys. I'm gonna take the grill out, and the trans cooler gonna sit in here. So I'm gonna run the lines through here, and the trans cooler fan should sit perfectly in here between the radiator. So yeah, I'm taking the grill off now and get started. Okay, I got it right here. Well, I'm gonna come in down there with the lines, but it has to sit right here in order for the grill to be on perfect without them messing this up. Because what if somebody want to go back with the regular hood? All they have to do is notch out that piece of metal on the grill, but it ain't mess with none of the grill, the lower part of the grill. Just notch out that metal for the fan can fit there, and I got the wires here. And here's the relay. Went off an inch here, an inch there, and kind of made it look really nice and symmetrical to give me some space for the larger transmission. The manual transmission, like I said, this was over an inch. That was over an inch. So I just shaved an inch off of there. This car was, this is all aluminum. Somebody did an amazing job with the frame of this car. And the cross member also is fabricated. It's really nice. And I may have to mess with the bracket on there to fit the automatic transmission, but everything else is gonna line up pretty good. And I wanted to kind of, I curve these edges. Gotta sand some more. I curved these edges to give it that professional look. And like I said, they did an amazing job on the here. I want to keep it really nice. We're gonna seal that off. I'm gonna mount the shifter in a second, but really nice on here, guys. All this is super nice, super nicely done. And look at that monster rear end. Everything lines up like perfect, and I'm in the air, so yeah, excited about how this is, guys. Really nicely done. So I'll be mounting the trans up in a minute. Just installed the flywheel. Got to torque the flywheel down, but yeah, we're getting together, guys.